the reason the United States is in Haiti at the level it's in Haiti, with Cheryl Mills coming in every time the parliament doesn't do something she wants, or the Clintons want, or Obama want, they threaten all of the parliaments with, withdrawal of their visas.
Yeah.
The reason they're all there is not because they want to give us jobs. It's not because they want to, give Haitian human rights that they didn't have under their own folks, under the Aristide, or even Privat, or even, Mr. Mateli. The reason they're there, and the reason they're doing this caracol stuff, okay? I want Haitians to really hear this. It's because of our oil and our gold and minerals. It is all in that area. It's only 9 miles away from Caracol, and nobody mentions it. But $20 billion worth of gold is in the land. They have now a figure for it. They knew it was there, but now they have a figure for it. And if they're telling you $20 billion, we can go ahead and double that amount. They do tell you that it's the most gold in the Americas. Americas, okay? So why do we need any of these people or any of their $5 jobs when we have this valuable land, when we have oil in that area that our geologists have said, Haitian oil. Now, the largest cache, the oil and stuff of Venezuela is like, this is why Venezuela has its independence, right? So there's oil in Venezuela. Haitian geologist says that the oil in Venezuela is a cup of water compared to the Olympic pool of the Haitian oil. That's why they're there. They know there's no job in the international market, but they're going to do the switch and bait like they always do. Switch and bait.